I hear chickens. Hey y'all, it's the old man here. As you can see by the thermometer on the wall, it's 42 degrees today. It's supposed to be a high of 46 today outside, but I don't know if we're going to get there. It's already early afternoon and I think it's stalled out about 42. So anyway, we have not run the heater in this place a single time since I put the insulation in the walls. And so I have this little kerosene heater, and in the past I've run it in the wintertime out here, but we had giant holes around the edges of the walls that just let air blow right through here, so it wasn't very efficient. Anyhow, even though I know the roof is not insulated and that's where the heat's going to mostly go, I'm still curious as to see if this insulation is going to help with just kind of the ambient temperature in the room here. So I'm just going to give it a whirl today. I'm going to let it run for like about an hour and see what we get. So 42 now. Let's see what we get here in a little bit when I turn this thing on. This thing right here. Let's go. Okay, I've got this thing lit, and as you can hear, I have a fan that's kind of up in the ceiling level that I keep on in here in the summer to stir the air up, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it on here just to help circulate any warm air around that this might generate. So I'm going to give it an hour, and we'll come back and see what happens. Well, it's been an hour, and like a dummy, I went out and shut off the power on my way out the door. I flicked the light switch off, which turns off the fan. And so having the fan on was part of how I anticipated this thing working most efficiently. So it has come up nearly 14 degrees. Yeah, we're sitting right just a hair under 56. Coming up from 42, so that's pretty good in an hour. I'm not mad at that, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave the fan on for real this time, and I'm going to give it another hour and see how it is. All right, let's try again. Well, here we are, and it's 2 hours later, 61 degrees. It is 43 outside right now. That's 18 degrees difference. I'm not mad about that. And to be fair, 43 degrees is not like super freezy cold. And I know that this little kerosene heater back here would struggle to get it up if it was 0. But that's a big difference. The greatest temperature differential I got when it was summertime was one day it was 98 outside, and I got it 78 in here with just a little window unit air conditioner after the insulation was put in. So that was 20 degrees. I mean, we're close to that today. If I could do something to bottle up part of this space up here, because this half there's like storage up there and it's mostly kind of blocked off and cluttered, but over here is just this big open area. I feel like if I could put in some sort of low barrier or something there, just kind of a ceiling of some kind, or of course it'd be best if I just insulated the whole thing, but I'm on a budget, and both financially and just like mental energy wise, so I do what I can. Anyhow, I feel pretty good about that. I hear my chickens pecking out there. Anyhow, I feel pretty good about that, and looking forward to actually getting out here soon with the boys and doing some actual work on the car. We were going to come out and do some work today, but everybody is sick with the norovirus, and so people are not feeling well in the house. So that's why Dad's out here, really. I had it yesterday, and I was super sick, and today I'm over it, but the boys, not doing so good today. So they're just taking it easy inside. Anyway, there you go. Until next time, I guess this has been a garage update from the old man.